Hi everyone, and welcome back to my podcast. Today, I want to talk about my recent trip to Brazil. It was an amazing adventure, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First of all, let me just say that Brazil is an incredible country. From the moment I landed in Rio de Janeiro, I was blown away by the energy and beauty of the place. The people were so friendly and welcoming, and the scenery was just breathtaking. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting the famous Christ the Redeemer statue. It was such a surreal experience to stand at the base of this enormous statue and look out over the city. The views were absolutely stunning, and it was definitely one of the most memorable moments of my trip. Another highlight for me was exploring the Amazon rainforest. We took a boat tour down the Amazon River and got to see so many incredible animals and plants. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I feel so lucky to have had the opportunity to see such a unique and important ecosystem. Of course, I can't talk about Brazil without mentioning the food. Let me tell you, Brazilian cuisine is absolutely delicious. From feijoada to churrasco, I loved every meal I had in Brazil. And let's not forget about the caipirinhas, those are definitely a must-try if you visit. Overall, my trip to Brazil was an unforgettable experience. I met so many wonderful people, saw some incredible sights, and ate some truly amazing food. If you haven't been to Brazil yet, I highly recommend adding it to your travel bucket list. Trust me, you won't regret it.